Okay, this video is to explain the adjustability of an accelerator hand dryer. Accelerator hand dryers now come with 3 knobs on the inside once you take the cover off. One is for heat, one is for motor speed, and one is for sensor sensitivity. That's an R for range. And so if the motor is too loud, or not really the motor, but if the airspeed is too loud for you, in the old days, what you would do is you could take this nozzle off, and you still can, by the way, you can still get a replacement nozzle, but you could take this nozzle off and get a wider nozzle, and that's gonna reduce the, really the pressure of the air coming out, and it's gonna lower the sound. But now you don't have to do that because you can simply turn down the motor speed. So if you wanna do that, you just turn the knob here, and here's a demonstration of what it looks like. So here it is at a very low speed, and it's quiet. And then I can turn it up and it's faster. So you can be faster, dry your hands faster and a bit noisier, or you can be have a slower dry but nice and quiet. So you have those 2 options. And then the sensor is located here. So if the sensor is going off too much, you can make it less sensitive, turn it down. Or if it's not really fine in the hands, you can make it more sensitive. And for the heat, if you don't have enough electricity, or if you simply want to save electricity, you can simply turn that heat down, turn it off, and that will accomplish that goal. Finally, I want to show you the HEPA filter. So most people are still buying their accelerator hand dryers without HEPA filters, which is totally fine. The accelerator comes with a pre-screen here for the air coming in. But some people do want HEPA filters. So if you have an older model, you can buy a HEPA filter retrofit kit, okay? And that installs here on the inside of this compartment. Or you can simply buy a accelerator with a HEPA filter already installed. And so at Burroughs Commercial Supply, we sell them without HEPA filters. We sell them with HEPA filters. If you want to replace a hand dryer and you don't want to get into installing the whole kit, which is a little bit complicated, you can just buy a sub-assembly that looks like this and just put that in instead. Thanks very much.